I chose choice from warranty, even though I bought a new house and I was the first person living in that new house. So normally people would think that in a new house there is hardly any maintenance required or upkeep required. So what is the need for a home warranty? But I wanted to have the peace of mind, so I thought I will go ahead with choice on warranty. I heard some good things about them from my friends, and also from the online reviews that I could gather. In hindsight, it turned out to be a great decision. Whether the house is new or old, there is always something or the other that needs attention. With choice of warranty and the peace of mind, I know that I can just call, report my issue, and have somebody come in and fix the issue. And I've had a plumbing issue, an electrical issue, and also an issue with an appliance. And each time, choice of warranty took care of the issue. In one case, they had to replace the device, which they did. In another case, it was an LG appliance, and the person who came to fix it, was an LG technician. So there was nothing better than that, for a person from LG to come and fix the issue. So my experience has been super positive. Quick service, all issues have been handled, and handled by technicians that I would trust to do the job. Highly recommended service from Choice of Warranty, and I'm a very happy customer. Thank you.